Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. We've got a one-of-a-kind 2015 factory-built glider kit to show you. It's an icon900 limited edition, built with a 3406, 550 cat, 18 speed, only 400,000 original miles. We got it fired up this afternoon. Going to do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, blow by, finish up on this stellar interior. Very unique truck. I hope you like it as much as I do. Let's go ahead and get started. Back over here to the blow by. That's fantastic. Pretty cherry of a truck, really. Body paint, frame rails, rubber. Maybe one of my favorite trucks we've had all year. 86-inch studio with a couch. Extremely clean interior. Here's number 194. That cluster has been changed out, but it does plug as 400 ECM. There would be your engine hours. That wouldn't change with the odometer cluster. Love the sound of no cat. Super smooth through the RPMs. Oil pressure jumps up just like it's supposed to. It'll be just a little bit less as soon as it gets all the way up to operating temp, but gives you a really good idea how good a shape this engine is. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.